shit. Might be back up for the summer, so yeah. Shout out to all the niggas that keep it lit. So.